In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Instagram search is showing this topic is not supported, please try another one. If that error is showing, simply try to search for a little generic topic, then it might just show the search results. But even after you search for anything, nothing shows up, then here's what you can do. Simply click and hold on to your Instagram icon, then click on more features, then click on app info. From here, click on storage uses. Here you can see clear cache written in bright red. Click on it. Once the cache is cleared, click on force stop, then confirm it. After that, you can try relaunching Instagram or go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if there's no update available and it's still not working, then click on uninstall. Confirm it, then install the app again. And one last thing that you can do is check if your internet connection is stable. Then press and hold on to your power button. Then this power menu will appear. You can simply click on restart or scroll it upwards. Once your app restarts and your Wi-Fi connects, your Instagram's problem should be solved now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.